Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and review of this BYS Pout lipstick. Let's see if this 499 lipstick is worth it. Okay guys, so this is the packaging. Very simple, clean, and yes, it's cute. And when you pull it out, tada! This is the tube. It has a magnetic cap. By the way, this is the shade. Medyo may premium feel kahit budget friendly. Now, I like the magnetic closure kasi secure siya at hindi basta bumubukas lang. Pero the tube itself is plastic so don't expect it to feel super high-end. So guys, here's the bullet. Ang ganda ng shade actually. You see? Very creamy looking and it smells really nice. Hindi overpowering. Oh, tignan mo, nagre-review pero dumadaldala siya, di ba? Kung ano yung mga chinichika niya dyan. So ayan, very pigmented. One swipe pa lang, kita agad yung kulay. The texture feels soft and smooth, hindi siya draggy like sa matte lipstick. This one is matte, pero may konting moisture. Hindi drying right away. I like this because this shade is very perfect for everyday, pang school, pang work, ayan, pang errands. So yes, for me, sulit yung 499.